Okay, so the girls and I have been having fun with my old nail polish that I don't really use anymore because of Color Street making me not have to wait, which is awesome. And so what we've done is taken all of our favorite colors and poured them in. I'll just show off glass or plastic bulbs, and then turned them over and let them drain out so that we can have colored things now for me to use for beading. So I thought about it, and I thought this one in particular, because it's see-through for me, it gets a little, the design gets a little lost. So I thought it would be really pretty to color in with this sort of, I don't know what it's called, multi-chrome, glittery, dark blue. I think it'll make the design pop. So this should be fun to watch, to see the design really come to life. And I saw this on YouTube. I don't remember who had the original idea. I'm sure it's not a new idea. So basically what you do is you pour in like a third of a bottle of nail polish. So the cheap nail polish works just fine. And actually, if the nail polish is too thick, like some of my older ones were, it's problematic. And I tried really hard not to put it around the edge. I'm just gonna set this back in. And then, once it's in here, let me find my camera. You swirl it around to get all of the sides coated. And I'm trying to be mindful of the top so that, let's see if you can see. You can kind of see it make its way. This is a nice one to work with. I'm trying to be mindful of the top that it doesn't spill out while I'm not paying attention. And once it's completely coated, it takes a couple of minutes to do, then I will pour out whatever's left back into the bottle and then tip this over in an empty carton, like an egg carton or the box that it came in if you're doing all of them. But look how much prettier that is, that you can see the beads on it. And this was one of my favorite colors that we've done so far. My nail polish is slowing down, and normally I would just wait a little longer, but for the video I'm going to add a little more to kind of keep it going. And at the end, it's tricky to just make sure you got everything, so whoop, coming out the front. I don't think I got every spot, but it's pretty close. So I don't mind letting some of it drip, then it's coming out the top on the other side. The very, very top around where it connects doesn't matter quite as much, mainly because the silver is going to cover it. And then once I'm sure this is exactly how I want it, and with this on, I'm pretty sure this is done, I'm going to probably glue the silver attachment piece so it doesn't fall, that it never gets disconnected. I'll use some E6000 glue, just a heavy duty craft glue. I'm going to just do a quick spot check and make sure I got everything. And voila, once it's dry, there we go. So pretty. Alright, so let me just finish dripping this out. And then I'm going to set it to dry. And I think they say let it like 30 minutes. It dries. I'm probably going to let these sit for a couple of hours just because some of the nail polish is a little bit thicker. So anyway, it's been fun seeing some of our favorite nail polishes in disc form or ball form, and it definitely took some clearance level glass things to the next level as far as Chris's decoration goes. So anyway, there we go. So the rest of it will get put, will drop out as I do it. So let me bring over that case that I had originally. And I'm just going to turn it so it's straight up and down. And let it drain. It's not quite straight. And that's it. So it'll join its friends. And I'll give you a quick tour of some of the other ones that I've got going. All the little tops are there too. So we've got some I'm trying this with a clear glitter, and I think what I'll be doing is adding a solid green on top of it. We had some hollow ones, some really pretty colors here. Yeah, anyway, good luck.